Hello again. Welcome to this lesson where you will get some practical insights on how to actively work with hyperspectral data in a forest context yourself. Let's do some hands-on training. I'm sure you're all curious to learn how to apply the knowledge you've gained so far. To do so, we will once more use the free and open source EnMAP box, a plugin for QGIS that was built within the EnMAP project. Within the EnMAP box applications, we will be using a classification workflow that was actually designed by your course instructors. With the EnMAP box, you can very easily visualize a hyperspectral image and vegetation spectra extracted from pixels, apply classification algorithms like SVM, and dimensionality reduction methods like PCA. I'll show you how to do that for 5 different tree species in a beautiful forest area close to Karlsruhe in Germany. If, like we do, you have some reference data, the EnMAP box can even be used to calculate and subsequently validate qualitative maps. Well, I said in the previous lesson that methodologically, classifications based on machine learning techniques and dimensionality reduction is one of the most common methods applied for creating thematic forest maps, showing, for example, tree species or forest types. So join me in our first classification tutorial. Come on!